Yoga therapy with lifestyle modifications. We have many patients in India and abroad. People are suffering with diabetes, but there is no total cure. It is just management. Yoga therapy with life modification. With life modification, you will find that it is moreover not only management of diabetes, but it will cure the diabetes. Total cure is there. Only slight modifications are required to do. Our Prime Minister also is interested to reduce the number of patients of diabetes through alternative therapies. Yoga therapy is wonderful working, not only curing the disease or management, but total cure is possible through yoga practices. There are certain modifications like chewing of food is required. Patient should eat food slowly, should not sleep just after eating. At least 3 hours gap must be there. Another thing is that he should do regular yoga practices to control and to cure his diabetes, total control. And liquid intake should be enough to throughout the day. About 3.5 liters will be good enough every day. And these practices recommended very strongly to control and cure the diabetes in 3 to 6 months. Yoga therapy is Agni Sar Kriya. Breathe out, hold your breath outside. Till you hold the breath outside, move the belly. Number of movements will be 30 to 60. 3 repetitions are good enough to control the diabetic condition. In this practice, the pancreas is activated, which is responsible for diabetic condition. Next practice, Trikonasana. Legs apart and turn your right towards the right side and lower down as much as you can. This also helps to produce the more insulin from diabetes. Number of breaths will be 10 in the position. Like that you have to change both the sides. 2 repetitions for 10 normal breaths in the position will be enough to control the sugar level in the diabetic case. Padhastasana, foot hand pose. Padhastasana, bending backward and bending forward with normal breath, and number of 10 breaths will be enough to continue this position, and then gradually enough end with backward bending. Next practice for the diabetes patient is Vakrasana. Stretch your legs, sit on the ground, bend your right leg beside the knee, keep it beside the left knee and twist toward the right side for number of 10 normal breaths. Maintain this position for number of 10 normal breaths and repetition twice a day, twice both the side. This is the second side. Next practice is Shashakasana, rabbit pose. Shashakasana, kneeling down in the position, and this is Vajrasana. And with bending forward, breathe normally in the position. 10 normal breaths will be enough to stay in the position, and at least 2 repetitions will be good enough to control the appetite in case of diabetic patient. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Palm under the shoulder and lying on the prawn position. Gradually, after placing the hands under the shoulder, breathing 10 to 15 times in the number of breaths. 10 will enough, and this practice of Bhujangasana, cobra pose, 3 repetitions are good enough. The next practice on supine prawn position, hands toward the body and half locust Ardha Shalabhasana. 1 leg raising from the back side without bending your neck. This is the Ardha Shalabhasana, half locust pose. After number of 10 breaths, drop the legs down and the next leg will be raised. This is half locust. When both legs will have to raise, called Shalabhasana, locust pose. This is helpful to activate the function of the lower ab and kidneys. Good for diabetic condition. And the third practice on this prawn position is Dhanurasana, bow pose. After bending the legs from the knees, Try to hold at the angle firmly and lift the body up and breathe 10 to 20 times in the position. Very important practice to activate the function of pancreas and improve the circulation all over the body. 3 repetitions for 10 normal breaths will be good enough. Good enough. Now, some practices on supine position. Lying on the back side. On supine position, the first practice is Uttan Padasana. You have to raise your legs to see the toes, just to see the toes for 10 normal breaths, and breathing will be normal in the position. This will also affect on the metabolic rate, which will be normal in case of diabetic patient. This practice, thrice repetition for 10 breaths will be good enough. Next practice is Uttan Padangushtasana, hip balancing pose. Both legs, both hands and head will be raised to try to touch close to the toes. This is Uttan Padasana, hip balancing for 10 normal breaths, thrice repetition will be good enough. Next practice is Pavan Muktasana, both the legs at right angle, hold from the knees and place, after placing, holding the knees, try to close your chin and knees together for 10 normal breaths. This is Pavan Muktasana, gas releasing pose. Put your head down, hands apart and legs stretched and down. The last practice is yogic cycling. Both legs will be moved in the cycling fashion so that the sugar in the blood will be reduced by doing this yogic cycling. 20 to 50 cyclings are moderately good to control the sugar level and the condition of diabetes. Then finally Shavasana, the legs apart, hands away, and breathe long and deep 10 times, and the normal 30 breaths will be good enough to stay in the pose. After asanas, there are 2 more important pranayamas which will be helpful to control the sugar in the blood because of oxygen level increasing in the bloodstream. Sitting with cross legs or Padmasana or Vajrasana is good enough to keep back erect. The first practice is Bhastrika Kumbhak. Fast and rapid breathing 10 times, followed by Kumbhaka, holding breath inside. Initially fast inhalation and exhalation 10 reps, with followed Kumbhak. 3 reps of Bhastrika Kumbhak is good enough to control the sugar level in the bloodstream. And the last and least practice is Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, alternate breathing or Anulom Vilom. Inhale from one nostril, exhale through the other, inhale from the same and exhale through the previous one. These 10 rounds will be good enough with eyes closed. Follow the breath at tip of the nose with eyes closed. Anulom Vilom we call it, sometimes we call it Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. 10 reps, 10 rounds from both the nostrils will be good enough to control the sugar. Thank you.